Hey guys, welcome to another video here. Today, I'm going to be showing you my dirt bike. My dirt bike is right here. A Pistol Pro 90 2017. That used to be my old bike. It is still my old bike. I don't know why I said that. I say it wrong. So today what was I going to say? Oh yeah. So my arm is over there. My baby brother got a bunch more stuff. Okay, let's not get off track. I was running it. I think it was Sunday. Yeah. I went to the purple smoke bush, which I wish I could show you, but it's nighttime here in Pennsylvania. So right now. On Sunday, I rode my dirt bike already before. On Sunday, it was my first wreck. The smoke, whatever it is, bush, it was wood, and then it hit my shin really hard. It was really thick wood. It really hurt. My bike landed on the ground because I wasn't able to stop it. The one time I did 180, but I was able to control that because I knew how to at that time. Which I still do. But that time I was lucky. So, I hit my shin. My shin got caught in foot bags. See, that I can't really show because it's in the dark. I had really sharp foot pegs. You see, you shift in, you can kickstart over on the other side. So you can ask on below my videos at the comments below to ask to show. I can show you more parts of the bike. So yeah, I hit my shin, and then got on a foot peg, yeah. And then I can't really see it. It's like right here. Kind of see, not really, but that is, you can't really see it all because it's really bad. I need to get something else. My brother has a CX activity on. I wish for one, but I only got one present. It was a working thingy. It's right here. It's under the thing. It's a working pack. It's awesome. And I only got one present, but also in my stocking stuff. But this thing's so big that literally, which is a 90. It was so big that it like took off. It almost took up the whole entire room. Is ginormous. I mean, half of the entire living room, which I could show you the living room, but I don't feel like it because I'm down the garage. I'm showing this. So yeah, and bye.